Hey guys, I get a lot of questions on herringbone and I've done quite a few patterns now, so I wanted to shoot a quick little video with some of my best tips. First, we're going to start off with setting a stop block here at 8 inches, which is how long I want these, but you want to set it however long you want them. So you want to make sure that your wood is nice and tight and even up against your stop block. You're going to make your cut and then make sure that your blade comes to a complete stop. Wait, pull your wood out first, and then release your blade. That way you don't have any chunks that are popping back at you. Then you're going to repeat this until you have all the pieces that you need for your herringbone top. One quick thing I forgot to mention, with herringbone, it is so important that each of your pieces are exactly the same size, which is why I use the stop block on the miter saw and why I buy fatter boards and rip them down to the size that I need so that they are all the exact same width and exact same length. All your herringbone pieces in place and you have all of your edges covered, and it's dry. You're gonna flip it over, and then you can use a table saw for this, but I like to use my circular saw.